How to remove saved from Pinterest. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's guide video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can remove saved from Pinterest. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to remove saved from Pinterest, then all you have to do is simply go ahead and open the Pinterest app. Maybe you might have saved some pins and boards, and to remove them you just need to tap the saved icon from the bottom right hand side to come to this page over here. Then over here you just need to select a pin, whether it's a private or public pin. Then if you want to delete the pins inside of it, what you want to do is just tap the three dots icon from the top right, and then over here you'll find an option called edit board. You want to just make sure to tap the edit board button here, and as you tap the edit board option, if you scroll down here you'll find the option called delete. Tap on delete, tap on the delete board option, and the board or the pin will get successfully deleted. This is how you can remove saved from Pinterest. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.